If you've ever wanted to bring your digital art ideas to life, learning how to paint in Photoshop is a fantastic place to start. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use the brush tool for freehand painting and the paint bucket tool for filling in large sections quickly. Whether you're completely new to Photoshop or just want to brush up, pun intended, you'll be able to confidently lay down color and create your own digital masterpieces. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Photoshop and create a new document. This is your digital canvas where all your creative work happens. Don't worry about getting the size perfect the first time. You can always crop or resize later. Starting with a blank canvas lets you experiment freely. Now let's grab the brush tool. You'll find it waiting for you on the left side of your screen in the toolbar. It looks just like a little paintbrush. If you want a quicker way, press the B key on your keyboard. The brush tool is your main go-to for sketching and painting in Photoshop, letting you draw freeform just like you would with a pencil or real paintbrush. Before you start making any marks, pick your paint color. Look for the two overlapping squares at the bottom of the toolbar. The one in front is your foreground color. That's what your brush will paint with. Simply click it and a big color picker will pop up. Take a moment to pick the exact color you want: deep blue, bold red, soft yellow. This choice completely sets the vibe for your painting, so have fun with it. Next, you'll want to customize how your brush behaves. Right-click directly on your canvas and you'll see Photoshop's brush settings panel. Think of this like choosing real-world tools. Do you want a thin, hard pencil line or a wide, soft sponge effect? A hard, round brush is perfect for crisp, defined edges, while an airbrush preset is great for soft gradients and gentle shading. Play around here. A lot of digital painting is just exploring what kind of marks different settings create. Once you've chosen a brush, start painting by clicking and dragging on the canvas. If you're using a graphics tablet, you'll notice something really magical: pressure sensitivity. The harder you press, the thicker and darker your brush stroke becomes, just like with real pens or brushes. This adds so much personality and nuance to your lines. If you're using a mouse, you won't have pressure, but you can still get great results by adjusting opacity and size settings on the top toolbar. Now, what if you want to fill in a big area with color, maybe for a background or a large shape? This is where the paint bucket tool shines. It's tucked away under the gradient tool in the toolbar, so if you don't see a bucket icon, just click and hold on the gradient and it'll appear. Or use the shortcut G to switch between them. Again, select your foreground color. The paint bucket uses whatever color you've picked. But before you start dumping color, check your layers panel to make sure you're on the correct layer. If you're coloring your background, you don't want to accidentally overwrite your line art or something important. Layers are your friend in Photoshop. They let you build up your painting piece by piece and easily make changes later. Once you've got the right layer, just click anywhere on the area you want to fill. The color will flood that section instantly. If you only want to fill a specific part, you may need to make a selection first using one of the selection tools, but for now, just experiment with clicking around and seeing how the paint bucket behaves. And that's it. With these tools, you're set to start painting in Photoshop, from sketching with the brush tool to quickly blocking in areas with the paint bucket. Remember, learning digital painting takes time, so don't be hard on yourself if things feel clumsy at first. Each stroke builds confidence and skill. Thanks for painting along with me today. If this video helped you, please tap the like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your artwork, drop a comment below. I'd love to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Photoshop tutorials. Happy painting!